Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel flavorsalt.com. Today, we're taking a little twist on a classic dish that's super easy, delicious, and just a bit unexpected. We're making matzo pizza. Yes, you heard that right, pizza on matzo. Let's dive in. So, you might be wondering, what the heck is matzo? Well, it's an unleavened bread that's typically eaten during Passover, but honestly, it's perfect for so much more. It's crispy, kind of like a giant cracker, and it can hold all kinds of toppings. Think of it as a blank canvas for pizza art. Plus, if you're like me and sometimes you crave pizza but don't want to mess with dough, this is a game changer. Alright, here's what you'll need. Super simple stuff. Check it out. Let's get cooking. First up, grab your matzo and place it on a baking sheet. Easy peasy. Now, we're gonna spread a generous layer of tomato sauce right on top. Don't be shy, get it everywhere. And next, it's cheese time. This is where the magic happens. Cover it with mozzarella like you're throwing a party for all the cheese lovers in the world. Look at that cheesy goodness. Now, let's do the toppings. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. I'm going with pepperoni and some more colorful toppings. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit and pop your matzo pizza in there for about 10-12 minutes. Wow, just look at that. It's crispy, cheesy, and absolutely ready for a bite. This is when you know you've done it right. Oh my gosh. Yes, the crispy matzo, the gooey cheese, that tangy sauce, everything just works. This is literally the best emergency pizza ever. Whether it's a quick lunch, a fun snack, or you're just craving something different, this matzo pizza has got you covered. Give it a try, and trust me, you'll be hooked. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment below on what toppings you'll use. Happy cooking and catch you in the next video.